Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 20 of this series, and in this episode we are going to learn about automated Telegram alerts for entries, exits, stop losses, trailing stop losses, targets, and end of the day report. In simple, how our automated Telegram alerts are triggered and when it will get triggered. So that's what we are going to discuss in today's session. Automated alerts are notifications that are sent automatically by our bot when something is happening in your trading terminal. That is, whenever there is any event that's happening, you will get an automated alert. They can also be used to alert you when something goes wrong or when something needs your attention. We'll discuss the second part of it in detail in the future episodes. I mean, the alerts when something goes wrong. That part will be discussed later. So let's talk about the first part, which is alerts when any event happens in your trading terminal. So when will these alerts be triggered? Let's discuss it one by one. Our bot will trigger automated alerts in Telegram when it takes any trading entry. In such cases, a detailed trade report with entry, target, stop loss, and trailing stop loss will be shared through Telegram alerts. So that's the first part. For any entries, you will get a detailed alert with all the details about the type of entry and the various target stop loss and trailing stop loss alerts. So that's your first and most critical alert. And now comes the exit alerts. So once we have taken entry for any trades, bot will continue to monitor the trades throughout the day. So whenever an exit is triggered for any of our entries, bot will automatically send those exit events in the form of Telegram alerts. So whenever any exit happens from any of your trading positions, for example, if a stop loss is triggered for a trade or if a target is reached for a trade, you will automatically get an exit alert in Telegram, and it also happens almost immediately. So that's the second type of alert, which is called the exit alerts. And the next one is the critical alert, which is trailing stop loss alert. Once we get entries in, that is once we enter into our trade, bot will look for opportunities to trail our stop loss. Trailing stop loss will be very helpful to reduce potential losses in case of huge reversals after a position goes into profitable zone. ATP bot will look for any potential trailing stop loss opportunities throughout the day, and when it spots such opportunity, it will shift the trailing stop loss accordingly. And whenever that happens, user will be notified immediately through Telegram alerts. And the last automated alerts for the day is end of the day trading report or the trading summary. At the end of the trading day, bot will automatically generate automated summary of all your trades, and it will share it through Telegram alerts. You will get details of net profit and loss for the day and the details of your trades, including your entry and exit price for each of your trading legs. So this is what our automated Telegram alerts do on a daily basis. We can add alerts for data collection and trading logs or any other activities if we want. So if you want to know about the status of any of these activities on a daily basis, you can create those customized alerts as well. So that's all we have for today on the automated Telegram alerts. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live data feed for our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get an invitation for our live sessions. Stay tuned for this exciting journey.